Open jet, oh. Nababasa mo yan? Duwang dialect?
Dialect. Open siguro, pero it's not for... Where are we going?
May aparador.
Where are we going? What's in here?
Ten Commandments. Let's go there, baby.
Is it allowed? Oh, there are toys for children. Alam mo yung ano, babe, parang sa Judgment. Tapos dito yung mga ibang ano, parang court, babe, parang court. Parang ano yan ni Dumbledore, ah.
First reading.
Lectern. What are these?
Oh, wow. Tidesville Local History Club. Wow.
Ha, Sebastian?
Picture mo. Right. 1919 picture.
Medyo late na yung start namin. It's about 1 p.m. Exactly what, babe?
125.
It's 1:25 in the afternoon. Pero matarik pa naman yung araw. Sadly, wala si Jon Snow. Ngayon, may sakit. So, nasa garahe. Garahe ba yung tawag doon?
Mechanic. Junction.
Yeah. Hopefully, mamaya, maayos na siya.
Malapit na siguro.
Mamaya or bukas, maayos na siya. So, for the meantime, madami namang famous walk around Tideswell, eh. So, we're going in a circular walk from Tideswell to Cresbrook. I think it's about 3 to 4 hours. Yeah.
That's against the light.
So far, ganito ang view. Kaso against the light. Mamaya muna. Pag may magandang view na. Yala. Stop recording. Okay.
Mga ganyang yung asin na una. Ibig sabihin, mas dominant yan. Mahina.
The Red Lion at Leeton. Tideswell. The next town is Leeton.
Land Rover to na pinakauna ba eh.
Oh? Ang galing naman nito. Land Rover.
This is 19 ano babe, Land Rover 1964 yun.
Tapos ito,
Ito.
pulis yata to. May ano pa. Public footpath. Okay. Careful.
Tayo pa naman.
Mamay tayo. Mamay tayo naman dito. Kaninang tayo, babe. Mamay tayo. It's all.
Yes sir.
Just careful, babe. Kasi Bastian, ah.
Galing din ang lakas ng babae niya, no? Puti na yung buhok nun eh.
Let's have a picture. Parang may cave doon sa ano. Puntahan nga namin. Maliit na cave. Daanan lang kami. Oh, what is this cave? What is it? Feeling ko ano to? Ano kaya minahan to? Limestone. Limestone na naman yung minina dito eh. Is that a dead end? Yeah, I think. Oh, it's a dead end, babe.
Yeah.
Okay.
There's nothing there. Wow. Oh wow, I can't open.
Ano kaya yan, no?
Malaki.
Kaya tulog to. Kung gusto mo tulog, ganyan ka. Sige. Yan. Yan.
Baka maarawan doon.
Hindi.
Okay lang.
Oo. Let's go. Let's go. Usually, ilang oras yung ano nito before ma-charge. Ay, doon tayo galing, no?
Yeah.
Taas pa banda na. Okay. Hi! Anong ginagawa mo? Tara.
Mga green bean, no? Ano?
Mossy.
Ganda, no?
Mossy forest. Okay, let's find a spot. Oh,
Wow.
what is this?
Wow. Ang 360 camera din. May stick nga lang.
It's not the same. We are crossing down. This is river crossing.
Ang galing, no? Nakakaano lang din.
Okay. Naka one side pa lang kami pero Nakakapagod na. May 3 hours pa. Pero, gutom na ako. Kumain na muna tayo. Za. Nagla siguro na. Parang medyo ng kabayo.
Ha?
Okay. Yeah. Careful, babe, ah.
I think there's a water as something.
Okay. Little Square.
It's home.
Hot spring.
May bukal dito nagagaling.
Sa taas. Yeah. Ha? What did you say? Mama.
Pabalik dito, may pabalik.
Go. Come on. Come on. Go. Go, go. Let's go. Let's go. Good. Da. Yay. You like it? Sebastian? Gee. We are currently there. Okay. We still have 1 hour. Okay then. To go. 30 minutes to go. Sunset, oh.
Sun is about to set.
And we are here. Are you okay? Are you okay? Woo! Oh, nag-start kami ng mga around 1. Naka time check is 5:23. Babe, we did it 4 hours and 14 minutes. And it's 7.59 miles. So it's a circular walk. Yan.
Go, Sebastian.
From Tideswell, Leighton, tas Cressbrook,
Go, walk inside.
Little Mill, and then finally there. Whew.